So, over the weekend, I went to my friend's dad's plane hangar. The location of the hangar had some amazing views. And we got to race around in golf carts, which was pretty fun. But you can already guess what the main highlight of the trip was. As we took off, the feeling was absolutely unreal. Even though I flew in larger planes so many times before, flying in the small ultralight plane topped it all off. See, this is one of my favorite things about living in Tennessee. You can just build a plane and fly it anywhere you want.
Say hello to my good friend. See, he's all I know. Running hard, ain't no show. This is a hold up. Hope you just know that we still to survive. She praised the change they wisely were. How could something so bad fund their livelihood? He knows it's tough, but it's for their good. Left their morals out to burn like it's firewood.